Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products to Shopify from other stores. This could be your own store, or this could be your own website, or anything like you can import a product to your Shopify store from anywhere. Okay, basically any store. It could be another Shopify store, it could be your own website. This app will import the product to your Shopify store from any website. Okay, it could be your website, it could be your Shopify store, or anything like that. So just follow these steps. I'm gonna explain to you in a few seconds how this thing works. Now just log in into your Shopify. Okay, now that's the first step. Okay, now I'm going to and then you wanna log in into your Shopify store, and I'm going to use this. Okay, all right. Now after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you wanna click on settings at the very bottom left, and you wanna click on apps and sales channels. Okay, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and you want to download this app. It's called Robo. Now by the way, this app is free. You don't have to pay for any subscription or anything like that. The name of the app is Robo, and this is the app. It's called the Robo Product Importer. You want to click on install. So after guys you click on install, you want to click again on install, and where it says here step 1, install our free Chrome extension, you want to click on get extension here. It will take you directly guys to Chrome web store. You just need to click on add to Chrome, and you want to click on add extension. Alright, now after you add the extension, make sure you pin the extension to in the top because we are going to use that extension to import products from anywhere. Just click on here where you can see all your extension. By the way, I'm using Google Chrome. Click on this pin or pencil button. I don't know the name of it. Okay, now you can see the extension in the top. This is it. It's called error. Okay, the name like the as you can see here in the top. Now what you are going to do, you are going to go to any product. Okay, you can import products from anywhere. Okay, now let's say that you opened a store, a Shopify store of like your competitors or your friend's store, and you want to import the product, for example, from their website. Let's say this is the product that you want to import to your Shopify website, okay, Shopify store. Let's say that this is the product, and like I said, you can open any product. Like it could be Amazon product, it could be AliExpress product. You can use this app to import products anywhere. Now after you are on the home page of the product, you just need to click on the extension and then click on add to Shopify, and this is the home page. Now if there are any changes you want to change before importing this product or before pushing this product to your Shopify store, change them here. You can do that. Of course you can change them in the Shopify product page. After you import the product, you can always change the title, you can always change the price. Now you want to click on description, check the description if there is any changes you want to make. The images, you can select all the images. Click on select all images, and it will select all images. Okay, if you don't want to import images, you can just click on deselect all images. Now I'm going to click on select all images. I want to select all images. Click on import and click on add to Shopify. Now the moment you click on add product to Shopify, this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. That's it. It's very easy guys. Now if you go to your own Shopify store, you will find that exact product inside your Shopify store. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, just click on products and you will find that exact product here. Okay guys, hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you.